Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to set up lead generation campaign using your website in Facebook ads. So if you want to collect leads from your website using Facebook ads, then you can consider running Facebook lead generation campaign using your website. Okay, so this would be a step-by-step process, and I will show you how we can do it from scratch. So without any further delay, let's do it. Okay, so we'll be advertising for this website. So whenever a user come to this site using Facebook ads and fill up those necessary fields, then I want to track them as a lead. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Okay, so I have researched all the necessary ad targetings and ad copies for this website. So you can see over here, we'll be basically creating three ad sets, and in each ad set I'm going to be using one ad. Okay, so what I will basically do, I'll give the same budget to each ad set and I'm gonna test them for next 30 days, and within this 30 days, I'll definitely get a winning ad set, and on the basis of performance, I will scale the budget of winning ad set and I'm gonna pause the low performing ad set. So this is called A/B testing. So what you can do, you can create multiple ad sets and you can test them for the certain days. Like I'll be testing for this ad set for next 30 days. So what you can do, you can test them for next 30 days and then you can scale the budget of ad set on the basis of performance. Like you can increase the budget of winning ad set and you can pause the low performing ad set. Okay, so if I try to show you uh, what I have targeted in ad set 1, so you can see over here as gender, I'm going to target all the gender at ad set 1, and the location would be USA and Canada. Daily budget, I'll give the daily budget as $20. Age range would be 28 to 60, and audience targeting would be metal fabrication, steel building, and steel frame. So these are the four audiences I'm going to be targeting for ad set 1. Okay, and if I try to show you the primary text, then you can see over here I'm going to be using this as primary text. Get one-stop solution that serves all detailing requirements at Maestro Steel Detailing. We offer reliable, economical, and quality steel detailing services by strictly adhering to international engineering standards. Okay, so I'm trying to showcase who we are and what we do in my primary text or ad copies. Then you can see over here I'm mentioning some of the USPs of my services or some of the benefits of my services. So what you can do, you can mention some of the USPs or benefits of your services in the ad copies. So you can see over here I'm mentioning provide detailed workflow, deliver accurate result, single point of contact. Okay, and we're mentioning some of the services in the ad copies. So you can see over here we are providing steel detailing services, BIM services, connection engineering services, pre-engineering services, joist and deck detailing services, pre-seal and stamping services. So you can also mention some of your services in the ad copies. Okay, then we are using let's talk, sort out your queries. Our experts are available 24/7. So this is also one of the USPs of our services, that we are available 24/7. Then we're mentioning our phone number in the ad copies and we're providing a landing page URL. Okay, so this is the way I used to write ad copies. So you can use the same formula or same tactics for writing ad copies. Perfect. Then if I go to the ad set 2, then you can see over here we're changing one variant at a time. Like if I go to the age targeting at ad set 1, then you can see we are targeting 28 to 60. But if I go to ad set 2, then you can see over here the age range over here is 33 to 55. Okay, so this is the only changes I'm making at ad set 2, and all the variants will be remaining same. Okay, you can see over here gender, all location USA, Canada, daily budget $20, and this variant will be changed. Audience targeting will be remaining same. Similarly, I will keep the primary text same as ad set 1. Okay, then if I go to the ad set 1, then you can see over here as the location we are targeting USA and Canada at ad set 1. But if you go to the ad set 3, then you can see over here we're targeting location as only USA. Okay, so this is the only variant I am changing at ad set 3, and other variants I'll keep them same as ad set 1 and ad set 2. Okay, perfect. So without any further delay, let's implement them in my ads. Okay, perfect. So for implementing them, I'll go to the ads manager section. Then I need to click on create button. Then you can see we have different campaign objectives available here. So I have shown you how to create campaigns on awareness objective, traffic objective, engagement objective, and in the previous video I have shown you how to generate leads using instant form, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can generate leads using your website. So I'm going to be choosing leads from here, and I'll click on continue. Then I'll name the campaign as website leads campaign, and I'm gonna be giving a pipe and mention Maestro Steel Detailing. So this is our brand name. Perfect. Then I'll not be choosing any special ad categories. I'll not be choosing any A/B testing from here because I want to do A/B testing manually. Then if you want, you can choose advantage campaign budget. Okay, but I'll not be choosing this option right now. I'll click on next. Then I'll give a meaningful name of my ad set. So I'll name it as ad set 1. Then I'm going to give a pipe. Then the location targeting would be USA and Canada for ad set 1. So I'm going to copy USA and Canada from here. Then I'm going to give pipe again. And the gender targeting would be men and women. Then daily budget would be $20 for this ad set. And age range would be 28 to 60. Okay, so you can customize the ad set name as per your requirements. Okay, so from the conversion location option, I'm going to be choosing website. So you can see over here generate leads through your website. So I'm going to be choosing this option. Then from performance goal section, I'm going to be choosing maximize number of conversion because I want to receive as much as leads possible through my website. Then make sure you have set up pixel properly. Okay, so I have set up pixel properly, that's why it is appearing over here. Make sure you are doing too. Then as the conversion event, I'm going to be choosing lead. Okay, perfect. Then if you want, you can give cost per result goal. Okay, so I'll not be giving it. If you want, you can use dynamic creative, but I'll not be using any dynamic creative in this campaign. And as I already told you, we'll be giving daily budget as $20. So $20 has been selected over here. Okay, then as I already told you that I'm going to be advertising this campaign for next 30 days because I have created or I will be creating 3 ad sets, and I want to see their performance within the span of these 30 days. Okay, so today is October 23. I'm gonna give the end date as November 23. Okay, perfect. Then we are in the audience section. So as I already told you that my targeting country for ad set 1 would be USA and Canada. So instead of Bangladesh, I'm going to search for United States. So I'll be targeting USA as country or region. Then I'm going to search for Canada. So I'm going to be selecting Canada from here. Okay, perfect. So if you want, you can customize the location targeting as per your requirements. Okay, perfect. So if you want, you can choose Advantage Plus audience. So our ads technology automatically finds your audience. If you share an audience suggestion, will prioritize audiences matching this profile before searching more widely. Okay, so what you need to do, if you want to use Advantage Plus audience, you need to give some audience suggestions, by clicking on this button. But for the time being, I'm going to be choosing switch to original audience options, and I'm going to click on use original audiences. Okay, perfect. Then I'll not be using any custom audiences because this is not a remarketing campaign. So if you want to run remarketing campaign, then I have a detailed video on it, how to create custom audiences, then you can create custom audiences and you can choose those audiences from here and you can do remarketing campaign. Okay, perfect. Then we are in the age range section. I'm going to customize the age range from 28 to 60. So I'm going to choose 28 from here and 60 from here as well. Okay. And as I already told you, as the gender targeting will keep the gender as men and women. So all gender would be selected. Then we are in the advantage detail targeting section and I'm going to enter some of the targetings. So the first one would be metal fabrication. So I'm going to copy it from here and search for metal fabrications. So you can see over here, metal fabrication is appearing over here. So I'm going to include it as an interest. That means people who have interest on metal fabrication, they might see my ads. Okay. Then I'm going to search for steel. So I'll copy steel from here and search for steel. Okay. And this is appearing over here and I'm going to select it. Then I'll copy steel building from here. And I'm going to paste it over here. So steel building is appearing over here. I'm going to select it. Then steel frame is also available here. I'm going to copy it from here and I'm going to paste it for here. So I'm going to search for steel frame and you can see over here steel frame is available over here. So I'm going to select this option. So currently we have selected 4 audiences. Okay, perfect. And I'll keep languages targeting as all languages. So if you want, you can save this audience by clicking on this button called save this audience. So I'll not be saving this audience. So I'll go to the placement section and I'm going to click on edit. I'll give the manual placement and I'm going to deselect audience network from here and I'll deselect messenger as well. So I'm going to be targeting Facebook and Instagram as platforms. Okay, perfect. Then you can see the placement of our ads. So where our ads will be appeared. So this is feeds, stories and reels, in-stream ads for videos and reels, search results. Okay, so you can see over here, this is the estimated audience size and this is the estimated daily results. So we might get 639 to 1.8K reach and we might get 11 to 33 website conversions. That means website leads. Okay, so pretty fair. So I'm going to click on next. Then we are in the ads section and I'll name the ad as website lead single image. You can name it as per your requirements. Then you need to choose a Facebook page over here. I'm going to be choosing creative source as manual upload. I'm going to choose the format as single image or video. Then we are in the add creative section. I'm going to click on add media and I'll click on add image. Okay. So it is loading. Please have some patience. I'm going to be choosing this image. Okay. So I'll click on next, and I'm going to click on next again, and I'll click on done. Okay. Perfect. So you can see over here, this image has been selected. Okay. Perfect. Then we have an option called primary text. So I have already created a primary text, so I'm going to use it. Okay. So I'll copy the primary text from here and paste it in the primary text section. So you have 5 options to enter primary text. So for the time being, I'll be giving one primary text. But if you want to enter multiple primary text, then you can choose this option called add text option, by clicking on this, you can enter multiple primary text. Okay. And we are in the headline section. And as the headline, I'm going to be using Maestro Steel Detailing. Sorry. Okay, so if you want, you can enter multiple headlines as well by clicking on this button, add headline option. But for the time being, I'll be going with one headline. Okay, and I'll not be using any description because I don't basically use description in my Facebook ads. If you want, you can use it. No worries. Then as the call to action, I'm going to be using contact us. Okay. So you can customize the call to action as per your service requirements, but I'll be choosing contact us. Okay. Let me find contact us, this one. Okay. Perfect. Then we need to provide a website URL. So I'm going to be giving my website URL. So this is basically our website URL. Then I'm going to provide the website URL, and we'll be using UTM tracking. So what I will basically do, I'll be clicking on this build a URL parameter. Okay. Then you can see over here, this is our website URL. And as the campaign source, I'm going to be using site source name. Okay. So this our campaign source name will be used dynamically. Okay. So if you want, you can use the dynamic option, or if you want to give the manual option, or if you want to use manual option, then what you need to do, you need to uh, give the campaign source manually, like I'm giving it as Facebook. Okay. So I'll be using dynamic option in this video. So I'll be choosing site source name. Then as campaign medium, I'm going to be using ad set name. Okay. And as the campaign name, I'll be using campaign name. So our campaign name would be used as dynamically. Okay. And as the campaign content, I'm going to be using placement. Okay. So this is the dynamic option. If you want, you can use it manually. Okay. Perfect. Then you can see over here, this is our UTM tracking URL preview. So this is our website URL, then UTM underscore source, site source name, then UTM underscore medium equals ad set name, and UTM underscore campaign equal campaign name, and UTM content equal placement. So I'm gonna click on apply. Okay, perfect. Then you need to select Facebook Pixel ID. So this is a dummy account. That's why the pixel is not active over here. Okay, so I would strongly suggest you to use Pixel over here. So as I already told you, this is a dummy account and I'm showing you for the demonstration purpose. That's why the Pixel is not active over here. So make sure your Pixel is active when you create the campaign. Okay, perfect. So we have created one ad set with one ads. And as I already told you, I'll be creating 3 ad sets. So I need to create another 2. So for creating another 2, what I can do, I can copy the existing ad set. Okay, so for copying it, I'll click on this three dot, then I'm going to click on quickly duplicate. Then you can see over here it is duplicating an ad set. Okay, so please have some patience, it might take some while. And one ad set has been duplicated, and for duplicating again, I'm going to click on this three dot, and I'm going to click on quickly duplicate. It's duplicating an ad set. Okay, perfect. Then you can see over here, this is our main ad set, and this is the copied one, and this is also the copied one. Okay, so I'm going to modify the ad set name as ad set 2. Then as the location targeting, I'll keep it as USA and Canada, men and women, daily budget $20. And if I go to the ad set 2, then you can see we are targeting 33 to 55 as age range. So I'm going to customize the age range from 33 to 55, and I'm going to remove copy text from here. Okay, so I'll keep the conversion location as website, performance goal as maximize number of conversion, and I'll keep this pixel conversion event as lead, and daily budget as $20. Start date October 23, end date November 23. I'm gonna click on reset your start date today. Then location would be USA and Canada, and I'm gonna update the age range or modify the age range from 33 to 55. So this is the only changes I'm making at set 2, and other than these changes, I will keep all the variants same as at set 1. So I'll keep the gender as male and female, advantage detail targeting as metal fabrication, steel building, steel frame. Placement would be used as manual placement. Okay, perfect. So this is the estimated audience size and daily reach and daily conversions. This is the estimated result. Okay, and I'll go to the ads section, and I'll not be changing anything in the ads portion. Okay, so this would be used as our ad image, and I'm gonna use the primary text similar as at set 1, and headline will be used same as at set 1. Okay, perfect. So we'll not be making any changes at set 2 ads portion. So we'll go to the ad set 3 and modify the ad set name as ad set 3, and the targeting would be only USA. So this is the only variant I'm changing at ad set 3. So if I go to the ad set 3, then you can see location would be used as USA. Okay, perfect. And I'm gonna remove copy from here. Men and women, $20, 28 to 60. So everything is perfect. Then as the conversion location, I'll keep it as website, maximize number of conversions. I'll be choosing this pixel and conversion event as lead. Then daily budget would be $20. And a schedule would be October 23 to November 23. As I already told you, I'm gonna test these ad sets for next 30 days. Okay, then location would be only USA. So I'm gonna remove Canada. So this is the only changes I'm making at ad set 3. Okay, and I'll keep age range from 28 to 60, gender as all gender, advantage detail targeting would be used as metal fabrication, steel building, steel frame, and I'll be using manual placement, and I'll be choosing Facebook and Instagram from the platform section. Okay, perfect. And this would be used as our placement. You can see over here, and this is the estimated audience size, daily reach, daily conversions. Okay, then I'll go to the ad section, and I'll not be changing anything in the ad section. Okay, so this would be used as our Facebook page. Okay, then this will be used as our ad images, and this would be used as our ad copies. Okay, so I'll keep them same as ad set 1 and ad set 2. Okay, so I have created one campaign, and inside one campaign I have created 3 ad set, and in each ad set I have created 1 ads. Okay, so we have created everything. So what you can do, you can create the necessary campaign, the necessary ad set, and you can create the necessary ads. Okay, so if everything is okay, you can click on this publish button. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can set up lead generation campaign using our website. Okay, so hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day.